The roads of Kathmandu are similar to those of other South Asian cities, congested and packed with vehicles. But for the last 1 year, these roads have become a little quieter, and it's thanks to the no honking policy introduced by the Nepal Traffic Police last April.
राम्रो चाहिँ इम्प्याक्ट आएको छ। एउटा नोइज पोल्युसन कम भएको छ। अर्को एक्सिडेन्टको चाहिँ जुन इन्टेन्सिटी थियो त्यो पनि लो छ, किनभने मान्छेले जुन स्पिडमा भेहिकल्सहरू चलाउँथे त्यो पनि कम भएको छ, किन पेसेन्स डेभलप भएको छ र एउटा सडकको जुन सभ्यता भन्छ हामी रोड डिसिप्लिन पनि कायम हुँदै गएको छ।
Implementing this policy in Kathmandu was not an easy task. Adding to the chaos are traffic lights that are currently not operational and pedestrian crossings that are rare.
सिस्टमले अपरेट नगरेको, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरले नै हामीलाई सपोर्ट नगरेको अवस्था छँदै छ यद्यपि। तथापि यसलाई हामीले यो च्यालेन्जिङको रूपमा हुँदाहुँदै म्यानुअली चाहिँ हामी धेरै खट्नु परेको अवस्थाहरू छ।
The no honking policy has gained popularity in Kathmandu. The traffic police also declared vehicle-free zones in certain parts of Thamel and Pasupatinath area. Meanwhile, pedestrians are asking for more stringent inspections and implementation.
त्यो त साधनलाई राम्रो हो, वातावरणको लागि राम्रो हो, त्यो राम्रो पक्ष हो त्यो। तर यसलाई अनुगमन पनि त्यति राम्रोसँग भएको देखिदैन र चेतनामा पनि त्यति पूर्णता आइसकेको छैन।
45-year-old Bimal Prasad Gautam has been a driver for 11 years. For many like him, it has been a challenge avoiding the horn.
आवश्यकता अनुसार त चाहिन्छ पनि 30% चाहिन्छ, 70% चाहिँ चाहिँदैन। 30% किनभने अब मोडहरू छ हाम्रो बाटो अवस्था गर्दाखेरि, बाटो टर्निङ बाटोहरू धेरै छन्, त्यसले गर्दाखेरि 30% चाहिँ आवश्यकता छ हर्नको।
Environmental activists have lauded this policy, but stress on the need to expand its support base.
It is not just a duty of traffic or government, but I think there should be push from civil society, and people should realize the importance and should obey the rules of no honking.
1 year on, the no honking rule is definitely showing promising signs. And the traffic police expect to keep the policy going and hopefully implement it in the other cities of Nepal too.